Let's try the card game called The King Pops Up.
Hey everyone, happy Friday. Mrs. Pinkham is back to teach you another math game called The King Pops Up. In this math game, you're going to be practicing adding cards, two of them at a time, that add up to a total of as much as 20. So I've left all of the cards in the deck except for the queens and the jacks. The kings are included because the king, if he pops up, is going to have you win no matter how high your total is, even if it's the lowest. So when you play this game, you're going to deal all of the cards out to the two players. And then you're going to flip two cards, each person, and the person with a higher total takes the cards. If your totals end up being the same, you play another round, and the person with a higher total that time gets to take all four cards. But like I said, if a king pops up at all, he always will win. So here's player one's deck. Here's player two's deck. I'm going to flip two cards for each player. So player one got a 4 and a 7. That sum would be 11. Player two got 6 and 2. They got 8. So player one would take all the cards. We'll flip two again for each person. Player two got a 10 and a 7, which would be 17. Player one got a king and an 8. So even though adding up, they would only get 8, they have a king, so they would win all of the cards. So you can play a few variations of the game. You can go for the lowest total. You can keep the queens and the jacks in to make those be 11s and 12s, so you can practice adding up to 24. There's quite a few varieties, so I will include those variations at the end of the video so that you can see how you can change it up. So that's the story, the game rather, called The King Pops Up. He always likes to pop into the game and be the winner. So try that game out and practice those math facts. Thanks.
Here are the directions and variations for how you play the game The King Pops Up. Go on and give it a try today. Will the king help you out or help your opponent? Play the game and find out. Good luck practicing your addition math facts.